Hello everyone and welcome to Zach's Garage, or more specifically, The Woods. Today we are on an adventure with Surrey 4x4 with Gareth and his dog Jensen for what should be an incredible day out. So without further ado, let's hit the road, or the track. Okay guys, so we've now hit a little bit of smooth road, so I just wanted to talk to you about what's happened so far. So through Surrey there are a lot of green lanes. Now, unless you have the appropriate vehicle, some of them are very difficult to drive. Now fortunately Gareth and his team at 4x4 Surrey have lots of equipment. Now it shouldn't be attempted, but also you have to respect the countryside. Okay guys, so we just drove through Frensham. As you can see, I'm a little bit wet. We drove through the fjord, which was really cool. Water went absolutely everywhere. Unfortunately, we didn't catch it on camera. It may be on my GoPro, I'm not 100% sure. But either way, it was very wet, but it brought a big smile to everyone on board. We're now heading off to find the private woodland where we're going to do some exploring as well. So, I'll catch you guys there. Okay, so we had a GoPro on the side, get the footage. And unfortunately, it got hit. Now we don't know if it's run over, we're gonna have to look at the footage again, but it certainly damaged the GoPro, but it's still recording, so hopefully there'll be some quite cool footage. Okay guys, so this isn't something that usually happens, but Gareth of 4x4 Tours has very kindly let me drive in their own little woodlands. So let's head off and experience what it's like to drive one of these beasts. So whilst he's going to get the dogs, this is really tight. I've manoeuvred some very expensive cars around some very tight areas, but I haven't driven one of these around a woodland, and believe me, it's edgy. Okay, so now we've stopped driving, I just wanted to run you through some of the features that make this such a fantastic off-road vehicle. So now one of the main things is the wheels and tyres. So the extended arch has been put on, including spacers and larger wheels. Now some of this is for theatre, the arches aren't. It's because obviously for it to be legal on the roads, the wheels have to come out further. The tyres, they are 33 12-15s, so 15-inch rims, so they're some quite chunky tyres. They're obviously off-road, and as mentioned before, they don't necessarily need to be on there, but it improves off-road capabilities, and also it looks so cool. Up here we have bush wire. This keeps all of the trees, twigs, bushes out of the way and pushes them, so that's on both sides. You do have to remove them for the road, but they're very helpful when going off-road. Then we have other features as such thing as retaining bars down here and up here, just to keep and strengthen the chassis and to keep things from hitting it. So if a rock hits the bottom of the car, it doesn't crumple the bodywork, just hits that there. At the back of it you have 6 seats, 3 on either side. They are foldable if you want storage, but obviously they're there to hold 6 people for the tours. The roof has been removed, fitted with roll bars, and you also have these handles to hold on. Believe me, you need it. You also have a spare tyre, and one of my favourite features of this, so when you stop and you want a cup of tea, you pull that down, you pull this out, and you have a little table for your drinks and food. The side features, we have little cabinets here where they keep the beer and the nice cool refreshments. This isn't a fridge, it is a cabinet, but because it's in an enclosed space, it does keep it nice and cool. Then if we move here, we have the snorkel. This is a fully operational snorkel, so it's always working at the time. It means you can take the water really, really high on these and go to some crazy places. And then if we move to the front, you have a winch. The winch here is for the occasion in which this gets into a situation it can't get out of. All it does is it wraps around a tree, and the operation is from here, and you just press a button and it will pull this out of any situation. Okay guys, so I hope you've enjoyed the video. Obviously, as you've seen, there's some pretty crazy stuff with this tour, so if you like it, make sure to check out on the description below. There will be a link to their website and you can book it. A special thank you to Gareth and Jensen.
You're welcome.
For taking us out today, and make sure to check them out and book one of these tours, because believe you me, this is absolutely awesome. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Cheers!